you have here a flower, and you have here a girl, and you wanted to show the flower and show the girl. You just do it when you are editing. So this is the standard cut. There's no transition between these two clips, and I may do it right now. For example, you have the flower and you have my image, you have the flower again and you have my image. So it's a standard cut. You saw the flower and you saw my face, and there wasn't any transition between these images. And I could make many transitions. I could be a effect, a special effect, a crossfade, something like this. But the best thing when we are editing is the standard cut, because we have our video with rhythm.